Hello guys, welcome to Nigerian Food Channel. It's your boy Franklin. Here's another fantastic episode. Right, today we're making chicken pies, Nigerian chicken pies. Okay, so I'm going to take you through my ingredients very quickly. On the worktop here, I've got my diced potatoes, I've got my diced carrots and some diced red onion. In here, I've got 130 grams of butter at room temperature. I've got an egg. I've got one bitten egg. I've got minced chicken, okay? Minced chicken. Here, I've got 250 grams of flour. And in here, I've got 2 cubes of Maggi, about 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I've got my minced chicken in the pot now, so I'm going to add my thyme, the Maggi cubes, okay, and we'll leave this. I've just added, if you look, I've added just a little bit of water, nothing too much. Okay, just about enough to cover this. So we're gonna leave this on fire, right, for some 10-15 minutes. There you go. Got my chicken on fire for quite some time now. The next thing is to add my chopped potatoes and carrots and onions, right? Now, I have got about half cup of water here with a tablespoon and a half of flour mixed. That goes in here. It's going to help. About 10 more minutes. Got my flour in here, butter and baking powder. Okay, so I'm going to use pretty much use my hand now to start kneading and mixing, together. As you can see, look like biscuit crumbs. So I'm now going to add my beaten egg. All right, and we mix. I've got my dough in the bowl here, wrapped with cling film. So I'm going to set this aside and just let it be for about 20 to 30 minutes before we crack on, okay? Got my flour out of the fridge. It's got my rolling pin, so I'm going to improvise with my cup here. Okay. Put that aside. This will form my fillings, okay? Fillings for, got my egg in here, just rub it on the edge, okay? Rub it on the edge so that allows it to stick when we fold, okay? Right, there you go. I've got my chicken pies here, 7 big ones and then 3 tiny ones. So I'm going to take my brush now with the egg, and I'll paint across them. Okay, there's tiny ones. I'm going to just poke them gently here, here, and the last one here. There you go. Okay, see you shortly. Here you go, guys. Here is my lovely chicken pies. ready for consumption. Let me turn the plate around. It's Happy New Year from me to you, my viewers, to the new subscribers and the old subscribers. Hopefully 2018 will be packed with fantastic things, you know, good health, blessings and favor in all ramifications. Thank you for watching. It's your boy Franklin, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love. Bye now.